one day. Hello people, how you people doing? This untouchable mama. Some people never know say na still me na be this. Maybe all the time where I will come they do life. And they say, hello my people, this is untouchable mama. How you people doing? Hope everything they fine. Also now they fine. Also now they enjoy themselves. My people, it just get very short video. And I know say I know the too much they do along like that. Very short video about waiting. This our sister Rita way go Nigeria. Now see what happened to the luggage in Nigeria. Nigeria not they carry last. You want to try that country? Don't try that country. Oh. If you try you go for Me and share for this side. Good afternoon. Unstoppable. Favor, I greet you. Good afternoon. I mean to share. May we just discuss. I can't remember what happened to me when I see this. Our sister Rita were there for Jenny. As I see a video, I can't remember what happened to me. Don't say. I'll talk now. Me I first share for this side. I will just to now. When I know say this life, oh, that's our country. Now only God now go help us for that country. They say it go better. Oh, we still they wait. Maybe it go better. Maybe it go good one day. Who know? Maybe when we don't old, our children come old. The children when they born come still old. Maybe that time. We don't know. Maybe they pray. I can't remember what happened to me. Don't say this one. A true post office now do what I carry that time. I just buy. You know say. I dey confess. Me I first share for you. Mona help me share and me I still share for you. Many people still know say I dey. You know say when that's where I don't say I can't buy all this Hollandis, lace, many things. I buy a bag and shoe. I can't buy. I'll expect up my own experience. Don't say this one. Don't say. My number there. My number there. If you go for my page, you'll just see my number. My number there for my 2 page. There here. You see there the other side. +3. I know they remember the put on. +34 631 47 25 229. It did them. And they come here and show now for you. Wait, me I show you for you. My number there. Many people they talk say we know they see your number. And they come here and show you for it. Where you for see. You see here. They see. Oh, I know if you show you for here. Okay, you see for this side. If you go my page like this, your roll go up. Wait. Your roll go up. Wait, me I show you. If na phone you they use, your roll go up. Where the right information put. Where the right information put. If na, oh, I don't know how to use another this to me. I tell you. Anyway, where the right information put, you just press on. If you press on, you'll see my number for there. +34 631 47 25 29. If you want to send me message, because you will see me first. If you send them through Facebook, I know they quick the reply, but through WhatsApp. And if you even though say I know they just leave the message, I must get back to you. Yeah. Now so I tell the SMS number for them. You just go the person page for information. Let's say the person not get number, so you know see. If you got the information of the page, you'll see the number of the number there. So this one where I want to tell now, so it still happened to me. This one now true post office that time. I can't buy many things. Now no say person if you there for campaign, I know what they call campaign. Like say 40 what's that talking? 40 campaign campaign na like a village. Like a village, you understand? Not be city. Person where there for outside a city. That time I there for outside city. To go to where black day, because I know they say for where our black day where that time. It don't say. To go that side now almost 1 hour 30 minutes to reach there. So I can't get with I want carry go Nigeria. It don't say this one where they talk so I can't get many things because I know they know if people they go Nigeria, if they know they go, I know they know. You understand? So I can't buy many things. Hollandis, all this bag and shoe, everything I can't buy them. So I want to send them go. I don't feel share again. Me I live on like this. So I want to send them go Nigeria. You know, if you know the tomorrow the day wear black day, you know they know the time where they'll take go Nigeria. All those people where they carry goods they go. So I can't discuss to my husband say I want to send all these things where I don't buy. If you not see different type of Hollandis, you know this big carton where then they throw away for supermarket. This big one. I can't carry 3 or 4 of them. Now I carry. I want load them put because as I see say from where I day 1 hour 30 minutes to where I want go meet people for where black day. The best thing, my husband said, the best one. I know the way we both they do their thing. They know they want make them they stress their self. He said the best thing, just post them for post office. Now say, post office. Hey, this one if I post them, he not go reach Nigeria. He said go reach me, I post them. I can't dey fear. Before I carry all those things, if you see the BB carton, I can't film all of them. I can't film them. I can't take some picture. New things now there for inside. Many things. I know now that time if you buy things well. I buy them to go reach Giorgio. Everything. I buy everything. Now I can't put them for inside that big carton. So I know seal them. Because since na post office, me I never go put money help me share. Sometimes good me with the talk come out, you know, because of many people they will not they know what they go on. As I see this Sister Rita video where do about a luggage where they lost for Nigeria. Now I can't remember that time where my things lost. So I can't carry everything go post office. When I carry and reach there, now true now because when I reach there now I can't they seal them. So I can't ask them say I want tell them say I want carry and go Benin City. Then they come tell me say what I go do me I do an insurance. No, it's a different type of insurance now day. If you go for post office or if you want buy tickets, then even they tell you say see the insurance where they or let's say you no want do one. Now I can say me I know my country not they carry last. This thing when me want carry go Nigeria, so my mind don't they tell me say something must happen to this cartons. Big you see Now say something must happen to this carton. You know see the number there now I'll give you so. Wait me that's I'll take right and put for here now. Okay, me I put on for +3 4 6 3 1 4 7 4 7 2 5 2 9. Okay, for this video where you dey watch so it dey on top. Check am, you'll see am for there. You'll see where I write am saying our country not they carry last. You'll see I don't put am for there. So now I can't carry all this thing. I can't carry and go post office. I can't say what we go do. They say may we do insurance, different type of insurance now day. And me I know what me back for inside there. You got the law. Now say what I go do. I go do the insurance, full insurance now I want to do because you know say if you do all this different type of it, because they'll still tell you say this one see the advantage where the other one see what it go give you. Now come say what I go do. May we put the full insurance in case anything lost for you, they go pay me all my money back. You understand? So I can't do that one. I can't use my husband's name. Take post this cartons where I want carry go Nigeria. I can't post them. They can't tell me say it go reach Nigeria between 2 weeks. You know, 2 tail like that. 2 weeks it go reach there. So me I go wait. I say okay, I can't dey wait too. So I can't get the day when they can't come in from Nigeria. Say the thing where I carry come 1 carton don't come and a 3 carton big one, those big one because you know say if you want post something like cloth, bag and shoe, you go carry those big cartons. Now come tell them say okay maybe the rest of the carton then they come for road. Then at the same day now post everything. If they happen like that, say you post something. Maybe today the other one go come, the other week the other one go still go come. That's the more now wait, maybe it go come. My people, they're not greasy carton. They're not greasy carton. Those one way they it can't be the one where they see that one carton way they can't be the one where judge they for his side bag and shoe. The 2 carton na Hollandis na ifulan. Ime huye gbowa. Different type. Na drop for inside. Now I can say it go come on affair wait. Another hair. They not see anything. I can say okay, I go post office because you know say they'll still give you the track number, everything. I go post office. When they go post office, that's a Benin City for there, for Ring Road for there. When they go post office, then they come tell them say this thing where my pikin carry come, not be only 1 carton, now 3 carton say carry come. Then they say don't come now, we don't deliver the goods to una. Hey. Who deliver the goods? When they see the way they tell they do their Nigeria, they don't deliver the goods. Now my man can tell they say now only 1 canton, now they bring come. Even the 1 canton say we even lock them because everything we will make sure say everything complete. Because I just tell them if everything don't come, una tell me. Una come now they show me 1 by 1 because I get video, I still get the picture. They say they don't deliver, and I say they don't deliver and 2 carton he lost. Now I say no problem. Since now my husband need una know say let make me like Oyibo and the way they say they do their thing, it dey different from our own. Now he need dey problem no dey. Now my husband come tell my husband say you see what I tell you, they don't thief 2 carton. Since now full insurance now we do. Fear no, I not too much fear for them. I know say anything where there for inside I go see am. If I not see am, they go pay me everything. I can't go post office, I can't go tell them say wanna see what happen. This thing don't reach Nigeria, don't reach Benin City. Now only 1 carton, then they go deliver to them. You know, say if you deliver something, then you go sign, no? Then they say, okay, problem no day. Wait till we want to do now. Say, me want take cash on. I not feel liver like that. I even pay put because the time you say, okay, either they pay they go find no, they go track can. Oh, abroad too good though. They go track can, especially when you pay insurance put. They go find now. See what happen to that thing where you carry go. Now they come say me I don't worry, me I give them time. If they don't see what they want to do, they go let me know. They go still call me. Now come tell my people, more I not worry again. If now people now carry on where they work for them, they must see all these things. Why? What was it? Now later, where because they can't file paper from abroad for year, carry everything. No insurance now. Insurance, if you get insurance, you are covered. Even though say the something lost, make sure say a full one. You are covered. Then go give you everything, or then go find as that thing say miss because they'll call the thing say who they talk like, who they talk true. You understand? So now they can't file paper go give them. So they can't write they can't send my husband message say this thing where he say he lost. So see people where carrying yamuya ladian. They suspend them for that post office. So they say you suspending and they say make they pay pull to one house job because I can't tell them say. See everything where they for his side. My brothers and sisters, let's say I not pay full insurance, or maybe the money they pay me, I will say me I just do a small. Probably I know they not go too far because me I know my country. Anything where you they go say na so it be, na so it go, na so it do. Okay, you not see anything again. They can't carry all these people. They be teary. Now they can't say me they can't call my mother and say I beg. Say all these things where happen. May we not go carry and go abroad. So me I just tell them say. We go resolve the something for you. Now say resolve the work can resolve them before I go tell them make them close down. Otherwise, equal because when I feel change my house now, they can't tell all those people say waiting there for you. Whether me still remember now. Say I remember. I can't quote everything for them because that carton, that too, you know why you land this year the rest can be bag and shoe with a George and other things. You understand? They can't see those one. Those Hollandis, you know what? Three of them, they suspect them for them. You're not losing winner. They can say, okay, as it be now, then make them go buy and put. They must pay. They pay for it all those people. You know why when I see say they don't, they go buy and come because I say I don't need the money. Oh, why I don't money? You know, so wait till they buy come for abroad. Wait till they buy for Nigeria. But I don't want me. I just close. I made them just okay. Problem not there. Since they don't, then go buy and they can't go buy and. Can't submit everything to my mother. Now I can't go here. Post office, I can't go tell them say we don't resolve the issue. They don't see the carton. But those 3 people are not suspending from work. Because if you they travel, especially our country, you know, say person where they abroad, if you want to travel, you know office say then your bag will lost. We what it go happen now be say maybe the flight not carry on. They go even inform you say your bag not come. You go follow the next flight come. But this our sister, oh, this Sister Rita, oh, it can't be say he go bought the bag, put on for when they put bags, they carry and go. Oh, Nigeria, they carry and go. When she don't come, you know, so when you don't put your bag now, you are free. You don't deal with your only your boss with your hand luggage, because for you now they don't put the bag, they go inside, because nobody say they tell you say you must pay money now, they add you for there, not being made them they leave out for there. No, they don't carry and go. They still carry and come back again. I pray maybe say she do full insurance, because if she do full insurance, at least now abroad now, and where she for buy tickets. Because if you go Nigeria, if you want buy ticket, not let the money pay you. Especially if you know say wait till they carry they go. It's very important. You understand? If you know they important, same problem not the more problem you know. If you know say it's very important, full insurance pay put, not let the money pay you, because that's our country. Now so then they do. Now so then they do. And if they want track, if you go wait till I tell like that, if they want track track I'm making on they will see the where it for stop, where it for move. They go track and they go see them. My brothers and sisters, I just say me I bring her. When I see this Sister Rita video, I was like, oh my God, this thing happened to me long time ago. See the way I tell do my let's say I not do one, I for not see that thing. I for not see her. Even if you say maybe you want post something for post now, say you don't want to give people where they carry goods, you feel still do one, but maybe register no where insurance full one. Then they go drop and they not drop and they know say they go pay for it. Anything where they say they go pay 100% insurance. If you want to do not do say maybe they will give you 20%, 10%. No, you just do 100%. It will be anything where they for them, they must give you the money back. When I see where many people where they go Nigeria, if they go, they know they like to help person carry something come. You understand? Like this one where happened to this our sister now. If it be say people things there for his side, if she not be person where they do live video, boy tamomani now make some people they know they carry go say I beg and not they carry no verse because the stress too much. Now the truth is stress in or bungbe. Because if you can't reach here, you can't tell the person say, my brother or my sister, my luggage he lost, he go say, why you can't be say the one way my things dey now he lost, your own not con lost. Where to explain them, man? Then it best you can't they feel bad. You understand? Now they cannot they blame some people that they go Nigeria. They don't want them they carry anything because when munya yere all the region because if something come miss say airport where something can happen, you go pay for the person. The person going to tell you, any yani what the you where you go they use it direct. They tell you. Any yanawa the money is about almost €200. Everything just lost like that. Because they use that eye say they look you. They think say maybe now you now you collect them. If she not be person where they do live video, how she go take talk? How she go take talk? So I just say me I just quick command because I get where they go my brothers and sisters say this thing happened to me. If you want to do anything, do and not let that money pay you. 100% insurance. It is very important. It dear. You know, it's expensive, but you know what you they do say because where the thing they go, now bomo na they there, bomo. Anything where they see, they go carry. Maybe they just see that bag now say something where they important they for inside. They will fair carry and go. They'll say if we read and one thing, maybe those people where carry my people, then that is they just new for that airport. They just new because anything where they put no, so this label when they put for something, they go track them, they go see where they where you know they go see them. Unless maybe you not talk, come and say your bag lost. If you talk and come and go meet the company, then go find and tell you where you for lost the last time when they see them. That's like abroad like that. Our country not trying carry something, say you not do an insurance 100%, you are on your own. Because you go lost, they go send and so, and the company not fit pay you because now the ticket where you buy not be full ticket, not be full insurance you put because some people they go Nigeria they don't do insurance. They go say it's too dear, you know. That make it very important, especially those countries that are Africa. If they go there, Asia the only way you just go like that. Unless say you not carry something where they important. If you lost problem not there. When I see the country, they say it go better. If now you born now, my people, now this thing happen to now, if now you boy happen to, Anyway, Oyibo, they're not they stupid like that. If then they go those countries, then they insure their everything, insurance, everything, even go reach their self. In a way, insurance is job because they know the kind of country where they go say a country now, bomo, and then be they feel eat Europe. So then they do one. Then they can because why? Another person load go there your eye. Those people they are new because if they're not new, therefore no say they go know people wey carry am. And not if they want find that now. Those people wey dey in care that very day, they feel locate them and see them where they that duty that time. No say then they get duty. Then they get duty. You understand? How come someone put if you want in insurance, if you go buy ticket, you know say some of our people if they want buy ticket, they know they talk about the insurance. They'll say, I want buy ticket that they travel go Nigeria and finish. No. If you go there, if you go where they sell ticket, you'll tell them, say, the luggage where you want carry go, you want put on as you want put insurance, you want pay insurance in case if something miss, the insurance they will pay you. You understand? And so they tell they do one. Because some people don't know, they'll just buy tickets, you don't finish. And they go my country. But if the luggage can't read that side now, they don't see say insurance not there. It don't lost, they'll say we don't know as what it happen. But if you the bad person will pay insurance, now in the insurance, now you want go meet. Say wait here, the bag where I carry, where I pay insurance put, it lost. So that they will help you find now. If they not see and they will give you your full money, A to Z. You just do 100% insurance, they will give you everything. Because if you not do a full insurance, maybe they will tell you, say, the insurance where you do, now 20%, now 30%. So anything where they for inside, we go come pay you, you know, that's what they still they do. Now for tickets, where you want buy ticket, now then they do. If you, anytime one they go, one they do, you understand? You know, they, if you do a full, you know, they lost anything, they go help you find a comment. If they not see, they go pay you all your money. Now, it be that one, my brothers and sisters. So the thing really touched me for Ayemi more because you know, not be say the maybe the money. You know, say when you go Nigeria, you buy many things where you like. You understand? Many things where you like, you just buy this one, that one, all these things. Now you go there for inside that bank for them. My number there for their destiny. And number I need this video where I just do now. It's there for up. My number there for there. You understand? This video where I just do now, the number there. Me I see whether I put on where. It there. Come on for this video. Go look that when I write and say our country not they carry last number there for the down for them. You see. You understand? My number there. If you not see for there, go for page. If you read the page, you look for the information. Press on. You'll see my number for them. So now it be that one, my brothers and sisters, because it's very important. The thing pay me for now. I can't still remember what happened to me. I say, okay, maybe I just still talk about these things. Because not be everybody know about all this insurance of a thing. Say if you want to buy a ticket, put your insurance, do this one. Because make they secure. If you're still lost, then go find out. Or if they're not seeing, they will give you your everything where you know say you will put for inside because it's 100%, they will give you. If now 50% you pay, they will still give you half of it. But if now full, they will give you everything full. That country not easy, my brothers and sisters. It's not easy. The way when they tell they do, if they make person, they say, I know why you go sell. If you there abroad for you want travel, go another place. Maybe they go like Germany or you don't go Belgium. All these things not they happen. If you be say your bag not follow you come, then go even inform you say your bag not come. You go follow the next flight come. Better wow. Not be say go follow come. Where me ye wamu. They'll just carry. Go tell person where you help, say you want help and carry something come. That one maybe still pay for you or he pay you the money we want to bring and come. Now not say some people they do. If they come from Nigeria, go say I go pay the money where you want to carry and come. Go tell them say the thing don't lost. Why you come or is there now where or is there now where unless the person where they do live video here and she just come and she fair come talk and say see her bag not come if you know be that one is there now when you know now you go even pay safe. Because not be everybody go tell and say something lost. You go just go say, since he lost, I bet the money where I give you, where you want to carry and come, where I take buy something people for inside. It's not easy, that country. They say go better with the weight. Maybe with time go better. We never know because we don't the old. Our children come old. Maybe it go better. My brothers and sisters, me I leave when I go do something. I just say me I just bring this one short comments. The thing pay me. I pray maybe say Rita pay full insurance so that you go get the money back. You understand? You should not pay full insurance. Let me say, you get as it be. Then go find them. They go pay the whether now 20%, 30%, or 50%. They go give them. But not be that money be the problem. Now wait till you use all your art tape, buy something put for inside. Then you know now that one then they pay well. They pay well. Even though say they even give you the money. I beg my brothers and sisters, be very, very careful when they go Nigeria. Not be only Nigeria, Africa country. Be very, very careful. They thief anyhow for them. Carry waiting. Maybe I don't know as I take talking. I don't know, sir. Because even though they know say insurance go dey, they go see carry. They not care. You know say man no fear man is you not care whether shit dey. You go buy time. And since their eye don't dey for that bag, they go just say okay, me will carry. Okay, put this one for you. I pray make them bring and come back anyway. I just pray maybe say they still bring and come back because sometimes it dey happen like that. Say the boards, you know, maybe this thing don't full. They can't remove the bag, you know. They will still come put her for another flight, carry and come. I just pray so that make she see her bag, make she see everything. Go give people where you get them because you know, so when you carry somebody things, something can't happen like this. If they you all go pay you say loss, but another person you equal where no settle down. So not be say you carry but now they do one. So my lovely people, see you. God bless you. Have a nice day. You where they look for my number they there. If you want to send me message, just leave WhatsApp. Not call me because sometimes person call me, I know they with the answer. Just leave the message. If I see I go reply you. Okay? But not send me say hello, how are you? Hello. Yes, so good afternoon. I did live video. Yeah. I greet you. Yeah. May I put up for speaker? Make people hear. Yeah. Okay now. Talk.
In fact, this thing we just the talk so because I see Rita yesterday.
Yeah.
When Rita they talk about her, you don't understand.
Yeah.
I say, oh, I'm you don't let it come up for live video that time.
Yeah.
You understand? If I just a shock now, say you just they talk on too. You understand? Because me they watch you, I say, and this is Rita they talk the first that be yesterday.
Yes,
you don't believe me? It not they happen to me, oh. Now you best say now I carry
Hey,
pay.
nah, it
You
happen.
best say. You best say Nigeria.
No easy.
Nigeria. Oh, especially that airport.
Yes.
That airport, they go beg. The mother give me money.
Yeah.
Mother, you see me now. Mother, see me now. Mother, see me now.
That's
Brother,
what they
where is
do.
it happening?
That's what they
Most
do.
people beg. If they go Nigeria, they go beg. If they come back from Nigeria,
The
they
same
go
thing.
beg. My sister,
Yeah.
this thing I tell you, my luggage lost. If I tell you, and I had France now I use.
Yeah.
Head France, they say they don't steer. They don't see her. I mean, I don't do insurance.
Huh?
They don't see the bag. Where the bag dey? All the load where people buy for me make I carry come.
Yeah.
My sister, who believe me, oh. Who
So
not
not
still
they
believe
believe,
me, not still believe me.
Nah.
You understand? Who believe me, say, Mama, no worry, just leave her.
Yeah.
You understand me? My sister, who not believe, I carry Ipese pay.
Nah,
Ipese
so.
when I pay almost 300 and something. The one when he pay me back, she give me about 6. It don't sit there. This thing when I tell you so,
Yeah.
it don't reach about 7 years or be 8 years old. Percy, he Lord did not reach anything. He said that whether not 9 kilo, big 10 kilo that time. My sister, he said I carry come. Me not the carry load they go Nigeria. Now help
Nah,
me one
help,
help you. You understand, my sister? That guy said that guy one time he say, hey mama, since na 9 kilo, and you feel pay like 6 kilo, 6 kilo or 5 kilo for instance. I say, no worry,
Yeah.
no worry, I go just pay her. Till today, that girl, my sister, don't say maybe we know the greet or we know the talk.
Yeah.
That thing, titi like he did my belly.
Nah, so.
He did my belly.
That's all.
Person, I go just say, my brother, make I pay put or my sister make I because now almost 3 of them before they give me load that time.
Yeah.
I'm talking about 2013.
Yeah.
You understand? Almost 4 people. I said, my brother, no worry, make I pay you. You understand? No, mama, leave her. What it be money?
Yeah.
Money. This girl, he
go collect
pay
it.
that money.
So no dey gree o.
Collect by fire.
So no dey gree.
Nigeria people, especially that airport.
Na that airport one.
In fact, God just disappoints them. Now God they disappoint Nigeria. Leader not be leader.
For where?
Not be small. First class citizen not be first class citizen.
For where?
Local citizen not be local citizen. We don't know where we they go. We don't know where we they go.
It go better.
If you want to go Nigeria, maybe I want to go meet my parents. So
yeah.
You understand? I want to see my family for Nigeria. If you they go Nigeria, your mind not go reach me. Now you walk here. Now your mind go come down.
Now go come down.
You go sleep. You go. If I tell you my sister, if I go Nigeria, sometimes I dey spend 1 month, sometimes 6 weeks. My sister, night my eye no dey close.
No be lie.
My eye no dey close. Untouchable mama.
No be lie, my sister.
My
I believe
sister,
you.
I
believe you well.
Hey, my eye no dey close. My eye no dey close. Even rats. I dey fear rats. Rats for Nigeria. If rat pass the way we go take job, one day, mama come tell me say, my pikin, wetin happen? Come on, I see dey fear you. I say, Nigeria, I dey fear rats. Small rats wey dey small pass. I dey fear them.
Na so. Don't be lying, my
Thank
sister.
you, my sister.
God bless you.
Nigeria, they are all too much.
Yeah, God bless you, my
They are
sister.
all too
It's too
much.
much.
My sister, they are all too much. For
Thank-
I just see wetin Rita Yemimo just talk. Wetin dey that bad? 36 kilo, abi 32 kilo.
Yeah.
When he carry come, he just lost like that.
And I saw that
They
they
go
do.
remove the tag. They go remove the tag. They
Yeah.
remove the tag. They go carry that bag. They go share. They go share am for
They
that
will
month.
share am.
They go just share am. As everybody just be all of them, that they pay their salary.
That's all,
They
man.
pay their salary, but they want use another person who they enrich their time.
That's all that they do.
See wetin that poor woman buy for inside now. Everything love. Say maybe na another person go dey inside now. I think don't enter Igbese.
That's all, now.
I think don't enter Igbese.
That's all.
I think don't enter Igbese. For Nigeria people.
Now God go save us.
I don't know who do us so.
Now God go save us.
You just say that they see water. Say Nigeria come from my body. I go wash me and my children. I go wash Nigeria people.
Now,
Nigeria people.
They are too open for another person.
They are wild activity. Jesus, I beg. Now people when they work for airports now. People when they work for airport, when they say AC they blow money tonight.
Yeah.
Now they do all those rubbish. Now they do all those rubbish.
Thank you.
I can't pay. Thank you, my sister.
Thank you, my sister. Bye bye. Okay now. Yeah.
God bless you.
Yeah. Hello? Bota. Go. Real live video. Real live video. Tu me let ta main. My people, now that one. It they happen to many of our people, They happen. As I see and now say, no, me I talk this thing. Because it happened to me. See the way when me take past my own. Through post office, you understand? Anything where reach Nigeria hand. I beg go. If you not just do insurance, will not just linear or just forget say don't lost, it don't come out. But if you do insurance, you still get, if not half, they will pay you. If not the full one, they will still give you. Depends on what you pay put. Sometimes if they pay person say you want to go buy tickets, I can't pay this amount. But if you know say what you they carry, it water, pay, no worry. Because nobody say the money you go through, it lost. Because if you see say the longer not reach you say okay, the money where you pay, thank God say you pay. Now it be that one, my brothers and sisters. It's not easy for that our country. They say go better, we still they wait. We they hope say go better. It's not shame, not shame. For you go to your Nigeria, you go your country. If you they come, wait till you want carry come. Now wow. Now why my brothers and sisters, it good maybe they tell all this our bad leaders. They hear or them say they not they hear, but they just feel like concern say now no. That's what they do. Or now no waiting concern. Now they hear that they see everything where they happen. Our person go carry luggage, don't put them for inside this thing. Make them make go inside flight. They go see from there, carry and come down. And they not go tell the person. If not abroad, they go come inside flight. No, they will tell the people where there for inside flight. Make they inform so person like this say. He bag, no fly follow out. Say go enter the next available flight. I will not be like that. May I leave una mona go do what I want to do. God bless you, my people. May I still go do my own. One love. Help me to share it, my people. May others still know, say, if you want buy ticket, they put insurance. You understand? Once you buy your ticket, say they from here, abroad for here, they go Nigeria. Since you don't pay for your insurance, everything will come. If you not see and they will pay you. You understand? Bye. Have a wonderful day. One love. Now, bye-bye.